Hello, from the title of the video you already know what this video is about, but do you see all these clothes right here? I'm going to wash them all today. Right now it's 7 p.m. I think I'll wash up to for 2 hours. That's when I finished washing. And now this is the next day. So we are going to lay a carpet, but we're not going to lay a carpet on a dirty house. So I have to clean everything that is supposed to be cleaned so that I pave way for the laying of the carpet. And just let's get into it, guys. For the new subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in. For the returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in. And to the new viewers, please subscribe. Let's hit 2,000 subscribers. Let's get into the video. Just in case you ask yourself why wash at night, definitely guys, I'm a night person. I just enjoy doing most of my things during the night, because most of the time cleaning and washing or doing laundry is done during early in the morning. But oh, for God's sake, I'm not an early morning person. I'd rather sleep at 3 a.m. and wake up at 12 p.m. honestly. Okay, saying I'm excited for my new house look after laying the carpet will be an understatement, because I have been waiting to elevate this house for the longest time, and I just noticed I'm not supposed to have a lot of money for me to elevate this house. I just have to do one thing at a time. And guys, I'm just getting started, so stay tuned for more updates about this house. And once I'm done with everything, I'll do a house video of how an updated house tour. Now, I previously had a dream, or rather a goal, of moving to a bed sitter and get out of this single room, but then my funds can't allow me to do so. So I decided, why not test my creativity and be creative with this house and just make it look the way I want it to look. And now this is just one of the first steps that we're about to do. And again, I don't think having a carpet in my house is a creative tip, but this is just something essential. Who stays in this house even? Just the floor like this, bro. I think I've been joking all my life, and it's not like I've not been having money, because this carpet cost me 180 Kenyan shillings for 1 meter, and I bought 2.5 meters, so that was 750 Kenyan shillings. But bro, you can tell me I have not been having 750 shillings ever since I moved into this house, because it has been now 1 year and how many months? How we are in May? Yeah, 1 year 5 months, because I joined in January. I moved here in January last year. I'll be taking advantage of this season that we have closed school till September to upgrade this house, because that is when I'm getting full funds. I'm just having some little money, but you guys balling. So I'll be taking advantage of this season for I think, how many months remaining? For the 3 months remaining, I think. Yeah, 3 months. And then after we are back to school, I think the man will have to reduce, because now I have classes to attend, I have assignments, I have everything. Just school needs attention. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the situation under my bed. Bro, that is why I decided I'd rather clean this whole house. And you see this thing up, this blue stuff, it has a lot of things that I don't put on, that I don't need, and we're just going to burn them, because why should I store things that I'm not using, even that I don't want to use in the future? I've never used them and are not even conducive for giveaway, because I don't think I'll ever give away something that I'm not comfortable with. I'd rather give away something that I can use at some point, something that is in good condition. So these things that I'm burning right here are in the worst condition. Now you might ask yourself, why this color? Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the colors that are all over white, white and black. I don't know, blue. Okay, just that's just my opinion. I'd rather go for something that is unique, and this carpet right here looks exactly like tiles. Someone might think my house is tiled. Yeah, that is it. That is what it is, and that is why I like it. Now at this point I was wondering, did I just buy a small size? Because it is not fitting, it is not reaching where I wanted it to reach, and I decided to maybe turn it around. And then after turning it around, I just discovered it is even giving the worst it can ever give. I would rather maintain it the first time that maintain it that way the first time that I had placed it, and that is what I stayed with, and it ended up being fantastic. Yeah, it was fantastic because it covered the areas that I wanted. And it covered when you enter my house right now, the first thing you see is the carpet, and I just like that it covered the parts that are conspicuous, because that part that I didn't cover, where the other part, yeah, that part is covered by jerry cans, and someone can't notice quickly that we don't have a carpet right there. And this other part of the kitchen, it did cover fully, but again my kitchen stuff are covering that part. And this other part, of course, my bed, and I have shoes. I have another small carpet that I put, you know that carpet, right? But I've currently washed it. So I told you guys I washed everything that was dirty in this house yesterday. These are the clothes that I washed, and now I need to fold them, and I have another stuff on my bed that I need to get rid of. I already got done with the shoes. The reason why I could not do all this during the day is because I had some errands to run, and you know we have to chase this bag, right? So yeah, that was it. And yeah, I'm just going to do this right now, and unfortunately you won't be able to see me doing this because my phone is almost going off, and I need to charge it because I have other things. I have to edit this video, and I use my phone to do everything. So let's just stop right here. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment which part of the video you liked the most, or what I should do next. See you on the next video. Bye.